CBSE Mathematics Class 11th, Chapter 12, Exercise 12.3. Question number 1. Find the coordinate of the point which divides the line segment joining the point -2, 3, 5 and 1, -4, 6 in the ratio. First is 2:3 internally, second that is 2:3 externally. Now see, the P point is here, whose coordinates are -2, 3, 5 and Q, that is 1, -4, 6. There is a point R which divides the PQ line segment in the ratio of 2:3. Let R be a point XYZ. So the Rx will be equal to 3 into -2. You see, 3 into -2 plus 2 into 1 means Rx, that will be equal to whole divided by 2 plus 3, and it will be equal to -6 plus 2 divided by 5, and ultimately it will be -4 by 5. So Ry means the y coordinate of the point R, which divides the PQ in the segment in the ratio of 2:3. So 3 will be multiplied to the y coordinate of P, that is 3 into 3 plus 2 into -4 whole divided by 2 plus 3. It will be equal to 9 minus 8 by 5. It will be equal to again 1 by 5. Rz means z coordinate of the point R. It will be equal to 3 into 5 plus 2 into 6. You see, 3 into 5 plus 2 into 6 whole divided by 2 plus 3. It will be equal to 15 plus 12 divided by 5, and ultimately it will be 27 by 5. And these are the coordinates of the point R, that is -4 by 5, 1 by 5 and 27 by 5. And this will be the answer of part first of question number 1. Now the second part, when the point R is outside of the PQ line segment and it divides externally in the ratio of 2:3. So the R will be not inside the PQ, it will be outside of the PQ. Therefore Rx will be equal to 2, you see, 3 into -2, 3 into -2 plus 2 into minus 2 into 1 whole divided by 3 minus 2, because it is externally, so we will take the 3 minus 2 here, and numerator also there will be the minus. So -6 minus 2 divided by 1, it will be equal to -8. Now come to the y ordinate of the point R, will be 3 into 3. 3 into 3 minus 2 into -4. 2 into -4. Ultimately it will be equal to 9 plus 8 divided by 1, and it will be 17. Now Rz, that is 3 into 5 minus 2 into 6. See, 3 into 5 minus 2 into 6 whole divided by 3 minus 2, and it will be equal to 15 minus 12 by 1, that will be 3. Now come to the question number 2. Given that point P 3, 2, comma -4 and Q 5, 4, comma -6 and R 9, 8, -10 are collinear points, find the ratio in which the Q divides the PR. These are the collinear points. It is already given. We have to find the ratio in which the Q divides the PQ. So you see the QX, that is QX is 5. So 1 into, let the q divides in the ratio of k is to 1 first of all. So qx will be equal to 1 into 3 plus k into 9 whole divided by k plus 1. It will be equal to, cross multiply किया, 5k plus 5, it will be equal to 9k plus 3. Further solve करो, 4k equal to 2, and therefore the k will be equal to 1 by 2. So the ratio in which the q divides the pq will be 1:2. Then this will be the required answer of question number 2. Now come to the question number 3. Question number 3, find the ratio in which the yz plane divides the line segment formed by the joining the point -2, 4, 7 and 3, -5, 8. Any point lying in yz plane has x coordinate 0. Means the P and Q are the 2 points. The coordinate of the P is -2, 4, 7 and coordinate of Q is 3, -5, 8. And there is a plane, XY plane, YZ plane. Now the YZ plane does not have any point pertaining to the x-axis. So that will be equal to 0, means the x coordinate will be 0 in YZ plane. So let us find out. R is a point on the YZ plane and its coordinate are 0 YZ. जब R पॉइंट जो है YZ पर उसका जो x कोऑर्डिनेट होगा 0 होगा, तो हम उसको देखते हैं कि किस रेशियो में डिवाइड करता है पहले. Let it be the ratio in which the YZ plane divides the line segment PQ in the ratio of k:1. So 0 will be equal to 1 into -2, 1 into -2 plus k into 3, k into 3 divided by k plus 1. It will be 3k minus 2 equal to 0 and k will be equal to 2 by 3. So the required ratio will be 2:3. Now come to the question number 4. Using the section formula so that the points A, that is 2, -3, 4 and B, that is -1, 2, 1 and C, 0, 1 by 3, 2 are collinear. A, the coordinates of A is given, that is 2, -3, 4 and B, that is -1, 2, 1. We have to prove that these are the collinear points. First of all, let there is a point P, which divides the AB in the ratio of k:1. Let the point P divides the AB in the ratio of k:1. Then the coordinate of the point P are -1 plus into k plus 1 into 2 divided by k plus 1. For y coordinate, 2 into k, you see, 2 into k, 1 into -3. So 2 into k plus 1 into -3 whole divided by k plus 1. 1 into k, 1 into k, this 1 into k will be multiplied plus 1 into 4, 1 into 4, that will divide whole divided by k plus 1. Further solve किया, 2 minus k by k plus 1, comma, this will be the x coordinate, y कोऑर्डिनेट के लिए 2k minus 3 इसको सॉल्व कीजिए. You will get 2k minus 3 by k plus 1. Here you solve it, you will get k plus 4 divided by k plus 1. Examine whether for some values of k the point P coincides with the point C. हम चलो एग्जामिन करते हैं कि पॉइंट जो P है वो coincide करता है किससे? with C. Means P and C are the same point. Now on putting the value 2k upon k plus 1 equal to 0. क्यों 0 रखा? क्योंकि C का x कोऑर्डिनेट कितना है? 0 है. देखिए 2 minus k upon k plus 1 is equal to 0. Here we will get the value of k is equal to 2. So the ratio will be 2:1. Now when k is equal to 2, at that time 2k minus 3 by k plus 1. 2k minus 3 upon k plus 1 means y coordinate. Y coordinate लेने पर हमारे को आंसर ये आंसर 1/3. Let us proceed further. So 2 into 2, k की वैल्यू 2 रखा. देखिए k की वैल्यू 2 आया. 2 into 2 minus 3 upon 2 plus 1. सॉल्व करो इसको, you will get 1/3. And k plus 4, this is the z coordinate. So k plus 4 upon k plus 1. So k plus 4 upon k plus 1, that will be equal to 2 plus 4 upon 2 plus 1, that will be equal to 6/3, that is 2. Therefore, the C, that is 0, 1/3 and 2, is a point which divides the AB internally in the ratio of 2:1 and is the same as P. Hence A, B, C are the collinear. Now question number 5. Find the coordinate of the point which trisect the line segment joining the point P 4, 2, minus 6 and Q 10, minus 16, 6. P and Q, these are the two coordinates. These are the 2 points whose coordinates are 4, 2, minus 6. Here the coordinates are 10, minus 16, 6. There are 2 points in between P and Q such that the ratio are like this. PR is equal to QRS is equal to SQ. Means all are in 3 equal parts. Trisect means 3 equal parts. So let us find out. Let the coordinate of the point R is x1, y1, z1, and coordinate of the point S is x2, y2, z2. So here I have written the PR is to RS is to SQ, that is equal to 1:1:1 trisection के लिए. But in the case of PR to RQ will be 1:2 because 2 पार्ट इधर रह जाएगा, 1 पार्ट इधर रहेगा. So 1:2. And S is the midpoint between S is the midpoint for R and Q because both are 1:1. So let us proceed first. Rx1, that is 2 into 4. 2 into, this is the 2 into 4, 1 into 10. So 2 into 4 plus 1 into 10 whole divided by 1 plus 2 is equal to 18 divided by 3, that is equal to 6. Ry1 means y coordinate of the point R, that will be equal to 2 into 2, that is 4, plus 1 into minus 16 here, whole divided by 1 plus 2, that is 4 minus 16 divided by 3, and it will be equal to minus 12 by 3, that is minus 4. Now RZ1 means the Z coordinate of the point R, it will be equal to 2 into minus 6, 2 into minus 6 into plus 1 into 6. Here you see 2 into minus 6 plus 1 into 6 whole divided by 1 plus 2, and it will be equal to minus 12 plus 6 whole divided by 3. That is minus 6 divided by 3, that is equal to minus 2. Now you see RQ we have got the value, we have got the coordinate of the R, point R, that is 6 minus 4, 2. You see 6 minus 4 and 2, minus 2. And Q, that is the 10 minus 16 and 6. This S point is the midpoint, will be the midpoint between R and Q. Therefore, Sx2 will be equal to 6 plus 10 divided by 2, that is 8. Sy2 will be equal to minus 4 minus 16 whole divided by 2, that will be equal to minus 10. And Sj2, that is minus 2 plus 6 whole divided by 2, that is 2. So the coordinate of the point R is 6 minus 4 minus 2 and S is 8 minus 10, 2. These are the required answer of the question number 5 of this exercise.